Hello there. Well, after some disruptive and very cold weather across parts of the UK, we are expecting something a little milder towards the middle part of the week, but it will be remaining unsettled. Now, if you take a look at the satellite and radar from earlier, you can see certainly been a messy start to Monday. A lot of cloud around, outbreaks of rain, still some heavy downpours to come, especially across southwest England and into northern England too. Although this should help shift the snow out of the way, but it does cause the risk of some localised flooding. So do be prepared for that if you are heading out and about. Now, the driest, brightest of conditions will be across parts of Northern Ireland and Scotland, but here's still the risk of some wintry showers at times, and blustery too, looking at gales along western parts of Wales, southwest England and in the English Channel too. Now, as we go through this evening and tonight, still a lot of cloud around, some outbreaks of rain across many parts of England and Wales. Drier, clearer for Scotland and Northern Ireland, but there will be some frost and some icy stretches in places. Bye-bye. Hello again. Hope you're all keeping well. So after some disruptive and pretty cold weather across parts of the UK, we are expecting it to turn much milder later on in the week, but that mild air will be accompanied by some unsettled weather and it will be wet and windy at times. So let's take a look at the bigger picture. Where you can see from today we had this area of low pressure. That's what brought all of the cloud, rain and blustery winds, but eventually it will move out of the way on Tuesday. So for a time it will become dry for many, and then we've got a cold and frosty start to Wednesday. But you can see waiting out in the wings here, this next system, that's what's going to bring the milder air, but it will be accompanied by some pretty wet and gusty weather too. Now, in the meantime, coming back to the rest of this evening and tonight, well, it is fairly grotty out there across many parts of England and Wales. A lot of cloud around, some outbreaks of rain on and off. Give or take the odd wintry shower across parts of Scotland. Here it will be largely dry with clear skies, and for Northern Ireland, so there will be a widespread frost. And at any untreated surfaces there is the risk of some icy stretches too. Although it looks like for Scotland and Northern Ireland a dry, bright but frosty start to the day here. But elsewhere, again, a lot of cloud around at first, some bits and pieces of rain, but it will gradually start to improve from the west. So we're going to see some brighter spells developing as we go through the day. A few showers creeping in off the North Sea at times, but for most of us a much brighter day for many. But it is still feeling chilly out there. In the north we're looking at highs there generally at around 3 or 4 degrees, and across the south may squeeze 8 or 9 degrees in places. That's all from me. Bye-bye. Hello and a very good evening to you. Hope you're all keeping well. So in the short term, it's still going to be feeling rather cold across many parts of the UK on Tuesday. But from the middle part of the week, we start to import some much milder air. But with it comes some very unsettled weather, and it will be wet and windy at times. Now, for the rest of tonight, we've still got that low pressure tracking its way eastward. So a lot of cloud across many parts of England and Wales, some outbreaks of rain in places. But temperatures here not too cold tonight. But further north for Scotland and Northern Ireland, underneath those clear skies, we will see a frost and maybe even some icy stretches on any untreated surfaces too. So tomorrow morning, we start off with some sunshine and some frost across Scotland and Northern Ireland. Elsewhere, we're a lot of cloud around at first, some outbreaks of rain, but gradually it will start to improve from the west. So hopefully we'll get to see a little bit of brightness as we go through Tuesday. But it's another cold day, highs there anywhere between 3 and 9 degrees in the southwest. Bye-bye.